That was a big splatter on that thing. I can see it from here. Damn. Oh my god, dude. That thing's going. That thing's fucking rocking.
Hell yeah, dude. I'd say that's a success 100 yards of dinger, baby.
Absolutely.
Woo! Getting through with that. You were getting through with that. I'm gonna do 2 more on it. I'll do 4.
Dude, that little target's taking a beating, Calvin.
Oh, dude, I got more in the van.
Oh.
Dude, say, sling at it, dude. Gong it up.
That fucking first shot you took, you should have seen the market put on.
Oh, I saw it. Oh, I see it. Here, take it up.
That motherfucker's ringing, man.
Here, take a couple shots at it.
Alright. I can't say no to that. That thing's fucking just...
Hey.
It knocks it.
Look at that.
Oh, that's pretty cool.
Yeah. You're in.
It's got 1, right?
Yeah, shoot 2. And then Calvin. Hey, Calvin. I got 2 shots in here for you. Gonger up.
Alright.
Is it already chambered?
No, I didn't chamber it. No. Okay. There might still be 1 there from the last shot. God damn, that rifle was on point.
God, that thing
That
slaps.
fucker's rocking.
Here, Calvin. There's 1 in the chamber. It's already chambered and ready to go.
Dead center.